The Steam Overlay feature is an in-game feature that allows you to access several Steam features while playing a game. All you need to do is to click on the Shift-Tab key on the keyboard to open the overlay while in a game. Although this is a great feature, there are instances when certain issues will occur. There are several factors that can cause this particular problem, ranging from an access issue to a wrong setting. In this latest video installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Steam Overlay not working issue. How to fix Steam Overlay not working issue. Before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problems. First, provide administrative access to Steam. One of the reasons why this issue will occur is because Steam does not have administrative access. Try giving the software administrative access, then check if the issue still occurs. To do this, first open the Steam directory. The default location is at the local disk C, then program files x86, and click on Steam folder. Next, locate a file named steam.exe, then right-click on it and select Properties. Then, select the Compatibility tab from the top of the screen. Then, at the Properties section, at the bottom of the window, you will see a checkbox stating Run this program as an administrator. Make sure it is checked. Next, click Apply to apply changes made, and click on OK to exit Properties section. Next, still add Steam file directory. Locate the file named Game Overlay UI. Then right-click and select its properties. Select the Compatibility tab from the top of the screen. At the bottom of the window you will see a checkbox stating Run this program as an administrator. Make sure it is checked. Next, click Apply to apply changes made and click on OK to exit Properties section. Next, restart Steam. Check if the Steam Overlay not working issue still occurs. Next, enable Steam Overlay. Before you can use Steam Overlay, you will need to make sure that this feature is enabled. First, open your Steam client. Then click on the option named Steam present in the upper left side of the window. From the drop-down box, select Settings to open the Settings interface. Next, click on the In-Game tab present on the left side of the screen. Here you will see a checkbox stating Enable the Steam Overlay while in games. Make sure it is checked. You can also check if you are pressing the correct overlay shortcut keys. You can also change them if you want. Next, click on OK to exit Settings. Then, at the left sidebar, the games that are installed on your computer will be listed here. Right-click on the game in which the overlay isn't working, and select Properties. Then you will see another checkbox stating Enable the Steam Overlay while in games. Make sure it is checked. Next, restart Steam and check if the Steam Overlay not working issue still occurs. Next, disable third-party applications. There are certain third-party applications that can interfere with the way Steam Overlay works. Some of the applications that are known to cause issues are Fraps and Synapse. Try closing these apps from the Task Manager, then check if the issue still occurs. Next, verify local game files and library files. There's a possibility that a corrupted game is causing these problems. You can fix this by verifying your game files. First, open your Steam client. Then, select the game in which Steam Overlay fails to open. Next, right-click on the game, which is giving you the error, and select Properties. Then, once in the Properties, browse to the Local Files tab and click on the option which says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then start verifying all the files present if there is any file missing or corrupted. It will download that file again and replace it accordingly. Then click on Close. Next, go to your settings by pressing the Settings option after clicking Steam present in the upper left corner of the screen. Once in the settings, open the Downloads tab present at the left side of the interface. You will see a box in which it is written Steam Library Folders. Click it. All your Steam content information will be listed. Right-click on it and select Repair Library Files. Next, restart Steam and check if the Steam overlay not working issue still occurs. Next, adding Steam exception to antivirus. There are instances when your antivirus software can interfere with how Steam works. It might be causing this overlay issue. To fix this, you will have to add Steam as an exception to your antivirus. If you are using Avira, Fifth Defender, Avast, Malwarebytes, Norton, Kaspersky, EsetNod32, and McAfee, you can refer to our website thedroidguy.com or visit our YouTube channel The Droid Guy. In here, we will be adding Steam exception using Windows Defender. First, click on Start or Windows button. Then click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Then at the Windows Settings section, click on Update and Security. Then click on Windows Security, located at the left sidebar. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection tab. Scroll down and select Manage Settings at the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Next, scroll down to the Exclusions section and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click it and you will be navigated to a menu where you can add exclusions. You can exclude folders, extensions, and even files. In this case, we will exclude the whole Steam folder which is located in the directory you downloaded it. Next, exit Windows Security section. Check if the Steam overlay not working issue still occurs. Next, disable the firewall. There's a possibility that your computer firewall is causing these problems. To check if it is, you will need to disable it. To do this, type Firewall in the search dialog. Select the option which says Windows Defender Firewall. Then click on your networks. Next, toggle off Microsoft Defender Firewall. The prompt message appears if you allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. Then exit Windows Security section. Check if the Steam overlay not working issue still occurs. Next, check for Windows updates. First, click on Start or Windows button. Then click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Then at the Windows Settings section, click on Update and Security. Then click on Windows Update at the left sidebar. Then click on Check for updates, that if there are updates then it will download them and ask before installing. Next, restart your computer after the updates have been installed. After computer completely reboots, check if the Steam overlay not working issue still occurs. Lastly, refresh Steam files. In case the steps mentioned fails to fix the problem, then you will need to refresh the Steam files. To do this, first open the Steam directory. The default location is at the local disk C, then Program Files, x86 and click on Steam folder. Then, locate the following files and folders. User Data folder, right-click on it, then choose Delete. Next, Steam Apps folder. Right-click on it, then choose Delete. Then locate Steam.exe applications, right-click on it, and choose Delete. Take note that you should only delete the game inside the Steam Apps folder that is giving you problems. Next, restart Steam. It will re-download the missing file. Check if the Steam overlay not working issue still occurs. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Steam overlay not working issue. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.